The PLC Simulator is a valuable tool for testing and troubleshooting Sequential Function Chart (SFC) programs within the XG5000 programming software. It enables users to simulate the functionality of a Programmable Logic Controller (Electric PLC) without needing any physical hardware. This feature makes it an excellent resource for both novices and seasoned programmers. Furthermore, the XG5000 programming software is free, allowing you to verify your logic before investing in the hardware. In this session, we will be leveraging the PLC Simulator within the XG5000 programming software to explore Sequential Function Charts (SFC). The graphical step and transition views significantly ease the troubleshooting process for SFC programs. Although SFC programming is frequently underappreciated, it stands out as an effective method for program development. This approach allows you to translate your program's sequence of operations directly into the PLC. This is step 3 of 5 in the program development process. The simulation and monitoring screens will aid you in visualizing and refining your logical sequence of operations, concentrating on one step of your logic at a time. During this session, we will demonstrate how to simulate the start-stop circuit we previously developed in the XG5000 programming software before translating into the actual XGB PLC. Let's get started. Detailed information contained in this video can be found at accautomation.ca. A link has been put in the description below. If you have not watched the other videos yet, there will be links in the description below that will start you with video 1. There will be links to the rest of the videos in the series as well. Open the XG5000 programming software. Open the XG5000 programming software on your computer. Once the software runs, we can open the Start-Stop Sequential Function Chart project we created last time. Select the Open Project icon on the main screen, or select Main Menu, Project, Open Project. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Ctrl-O. The default directory is located under C:\XG5000\projects. Please select the project we created last time and choose Open. Our Sequential Function Chart diagram will now be displayed. Double-click on the sample SFC program under the Scan Program window in the Project window. This will call up our SFC program. We are offline to the controller due to the blue bar at the bottom of the XG5000 software window. Start the PLC Simulator and transfer the program. Select this PLC Simulator by selecting the icon on the main screen. This can also be started by the main menu, Tools, Start Simulator. The XG Sim window will first be displayed. Then the XG5000 will be shown with communication to the simulator. This is the red bar at the bottom of the XG5000 programming software. The Write to PLC window will automatically be displayed. XG5000 software treats the simulator like a PLC controller, and you must first establish communication and transfer the program. We will leave all of the default settings the same and select OK. Our Sequential Function Chart start-stop circuit will be loaded into this PLC simulator. The XG5000 Write Complete message will be displayed. Select OK. The PLC simulator will be placed automatically in run mode. We can choose to check the program window by selecting the X in the top right corner. Our program is now being executed in the simulator. You can start and stop the scan of the program in the simulator by using the icons on the main menu. If you are enjoying this video, please hit the like button below. Keeping up with all the latest automation innovations can be difficult, so hit the subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell beside your subscription to actually receive those notifications. Monitoring and testing the SFC code. We can now use the PLC Simulator's monitoring and troubleshooting tools to observe the behavior of the Sequential Function Chart program. The monitor icon is automatically turned on when we use the PLC Simulator. We can display the inputs and outputs we want to monitor using the monitoring windows. Selecting the SFC code or variables is the easiest way to add the variables to the monitor list. Once the variables or code are highlighted, select Add from the main menu Monitor, Add to Variable Monitor. This can also be done by right-clicking on the highlighted variables or code. selecting Add to Variable Monitor and then choosing the monitor number. Your selected variables will now be displayed. We can change the input variables and observe our program behavior by double-clicking on them. Adjustments can be made in the program using XG5000 when issues or errors are discovered. We can create and save the necessary changes to our SFC program code offline, then download the code again. The ladder logic or structured text code can be modified using online editing within the SFC logic. Using the PLC Simulator in the XG5000 programming software for Sequential Function Charts, SFC effectively tests and debugs PLC programs without physical hardware. It provides a safe and efficient environment for programmers to validate their logic and ensure proper operation before deploying it to the real-world applications. By following the steps outlined, you can harness the power of the PLC Simulator to streamline your development process and deliver reliable PLC programs. Now that you know more about the PLC Simulator for SFC programming, click here to learn more about entering and modifying your SFC code. To see all of the posts and videos for the XGB PLC, click here.